a very, very big class. Oh, thank you very much. How are you? Oh, I'm all right. I'm very pleased to see a very big class. It's just, the room is very small. Don't you think so?
Yes.
Oh, thank you. Who makes the school uniforms?
The parents.
The parents, they've got to make it themselves?
Yes.
Okay, I thought maybe
that is for the other parents to buy a uniform.
Yes.
For them. They cannot afford to buy it.
How much is a uniform? Roughly?
Approximately maybe 1,000.
1,000 kwacha. Okay. So if at all there was a chance of uniform, then there will be more kids who will be able to come to school.
Yes. Just yesterday they were told to put on uniform. Maybe they are afraid to come today.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Thank you. That hands for them. Another there. Again? Good. That one, that's for you. Yes. Thank you. That one's for her.
I would like to welcome the representative from Primary School, which is in England. I would also like to welcome the payer and representative from Minister of Education. I would also like to welcome the Parent Teachers Association chairperson and the school management chairperson who are here representing us all. I would also like to welcome the headmaster of Namiwa Primary School, the deputy headmistress, the entire members of staff, boys and girls. Today is a great day for Namiwa Primary School, which we live to remember. A day when we will receive, a day when there will be an official handover of the desks which we have received from our beloved friends from Swino Primary School in England, which they have given to us. And we are very, very grateful and appreciative of the gifts which we have received from our friends. And it's now that we show our appreciation to Swino Primary School.
I'm very pleased to see you today because the school from England, Swino, is very much interested in you. I showed them pictures while some of you were sat on the floor writing using your knee as a desk. And they said, we are going to do something about it. And they started raising money. And when I said I was coming to Malawi to visit my family, they said, please, go and buy desks for one class only. And what we have done, I engaged some of the members of staff here with me. We went to the factory, where the desks are manufactured. And today I'm very, very, very pleased and very humbled indeed. This gives me great pleasure. Thanks God I'm alive.
I'm standing here on behalf of all the Namibia learners. We'd like to thank you for the desk which you have given us. Thank you very much. And it's our prayer that God will give you in good hands and bless you. Thank you.
May the Lord bless you abundantly. See us now.